Designing for global digital products is challenging. Teams often face wasted resources, inconsistent experiences, and communication breakdowns. Is there a better way to design for global success? Meet the Beam Design System, FOXCONN Technology Group's go-to solution for designing global digital products. Beam simplifies design with reusable components and clear guidelines, ensuring consistent, high-quality experiences. With Beam, you can design faster using modular components that save time and reduce errors. Built with inclusivity at its core, Beam adapts to every user's needs, with flexible font sizes, accessible color contrasts, and dark mode, high-contrast mode for a comfortable viewing experience. From Taipei to Kaohsiung and Shenzhen, our global team ensures internal teams master the Beam Design System. With Beam Friends leading interactive tutorials and workshops, learning becomes simple, engaging, and effective, empowering teams to create smarter designs with confidence. The Beam Design System empowers teams to create efficient, brand-consistent digital products that meet every user's needs. Smarter, faster, better.